my name is Faria Omar, and in this video we are going to discuss Chapter 2 Thermochemistry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so 2018-2019, in this question given to you, neutralization between acid and base in polystyrene cup means that this is simple calorimeter. Okay, and given to you also the temperature change delta T, and the question asks you to calculate enthalpy of neutralization for this reaction. Okay, so now enthalpy neutralization, as you remember, enthalpy of neutralization is heat release. When 1 mole of water is formed from acid and base. Okay, to answer this question, first you must write balance equation. Okay, so you have here HCl aqueous and H2O liquid. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, so I just draw the diagram. You have here the polystyrene cup. Okay, as you punya calorimeter. So at here is your HCl and you punya NaOH. Okay, so now you will mix you punya HCl and NaOH in a simple calorimeter. Okay, so you punya HCl is 25 ml and sodium hydroxide also 25 ml given from the question. Okay, so as we assume that the density equal to the water, it will be this one will be 25 gram and 25 gram. And the molarity from the question 1 molar and 1 molar. Okay, so next, after you balance the equation, the next one will be you need to calculate mass of water. Okay, so calculate mass of water. Since that water produced when acid react with base, so mass of water is the total mass of acid and base. Okay, so mass W equal to mass HCl plus mass NaOH. So you will get 25 plus 25, you will get 50 gram. Okay. The third step is you must find mole of H2O, okay, from reaction. Okay, so now from the reaction, you kena buat stoichiometry dulu lah. And since that the molarity and volume untuk NaCl and NaO is the same, so you punya sodium hydroxide will be 0.025 mole. Okay, and then therefore 1 mole of HCl, you nak compare dengan sodium hydroxide pun tak apa, sebab bilangan mol dia sama. No such thing as limiting reactant or excess reactants. Because sebab apa? Sebab dia punya mol sama. Mol HCl equal to mol NaOH. Okay. So now 1 mole of HCl produce 1 mole of water. So you are using 0.025 mole of Na. Sorry, you are using 0.025 mole of HCl. So you will get 0.025 mole of H2O. Next, the The fourth step is calculate the heat. So concept dia heat release equal to heat absorbed. So heat release daripada mana? Heat release from the neutralization. Neutralization means that when you add acid and base, okay, so di sini dia akan dapat mixture of salt and water kan. So waktu dia campur ni dia akan release heat. And heat release from the neutralization will absorbed by water. Okay. Acid plus base produce water. And that water akan absorb the heat from the neutralization. And then you punya container which is called as calorimeter tu pun akan absorb the heat. If you pegang, you akan rasa panas, something like that. So heat from the release from the neutralization absorbed by water and calorimeter. So now you nak kira Q absorbed by water, you must use the MW/CW delta T, and for calorimeter will be CC delta T. So mass of water just now will be 50 gram, and for specific heat capacity of water will be 4.18 joule per degree Celsius per gram. Okay. And then delta T as given from the question 7. Okay, and then for calorimeter, as you read from the question, there are no info about heat capacity of calorimeter, so you just can ignore the heat absorbed by the calorimeter. Okay, just ignore it. Okay, so means that in this question, it assumes that heat of neutralization only absorbed by water. So you will get your answer. Okay, your answer will be 1463, and the unit will be joule. Itu tengok ya, gram will cancel with gram, degree Celsius will cancel with degree Celsius, so you will get joule. Okay, and then this is heat energy. So heat energy, as you remember, the unit untuk energy adalah joule. Okay, since that the heat release or heat neutralization dia ada sign negative, automatically you akan dapat di sini your heat release from the neutralization is negative 1463 joule. Okay, so settle the fourth step, and then the next step, you kena calculate enthalpy. Okay, so for enthalpy, as you remember, dia mesti 1 mole. Okay, so now you punya benda ni, just now you calculate untuk berapa banyak mole H2O. This one will be 0.025 mole H2O. So you nak calculate untuk 1 mole, you kena buat comparison. So 0.024 mole of H2O will produce negative 1463 joule, and then therefore 1 mole of H2O will produce, okay, now the unit will be not joule, sebab since that this is 1 mole, so you kena terus tulis joule per mole. Okay, so next you need to convert from joule to kilojoule. Okay, so you will get 58.520 kilojoule per mole, and your final answer is negative 58.520 kilojoule per mole. Unit and correct sign insist. 4 marks, 1 mark for the equation, the second mark for mass of water, the third mark will be for mole of water, the fourth mark is your formula or your substitution, the fifth mark will be your heat of neutralization, and the last mark will be your enthalpy of neutralization. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.